Hello children, welcome to my class Chemistry Gurukul. Today we will discuss our next topic regarding separating mixtures, and this topic is regarding the separation of mixture of common salt and ammonium chloride. I hope children in your previous classes you have studied about the process of sublimation. Some of you have heard it. So here we will see how sublimation is helpful for separating these two components from their mixture. Here I have drawn this figure. In this figure you will see this is a stand and it is having a wire gauge on which this china dish is kept, and inverted glass funnel is kept along with it. And in this china dish, common salt and ammonium chloride is mixed together, and the solution is heated with the help of a burner. Okay, so after some time what will happen? When the solution will get heated up, there will be evolution of vapors here. Vapors will evolve. Okay, so when vapors will evolve means evaporation starts. So evaporation, when it starts, the vapors will go to the higher level of this funnel, but I have plugged it with cotton plug so that you know what is the opposite of evaporation? Condensation. Very good. So what will happen? Simultaneously condensation also starts to take place. Condensation means cooling down. Okay, so when this solution stops heating, there will be another process, that is condensation, means cooling down. So what will happen? When it will cool down, the ammonium chloride which was present in vapors, it will solidify here on the surface of this funnel. Understood? This is a glass funnel. Why we have taken glass funnel here? To collect this solid ammonium chloride, so that we can see it. If it will be an opaque object, you won't be able to see. It is transparent, so we could see easily. Understood? So this is the whole process through which we can separate these components, that is ammonium chloride and common salt. And common salt, what will happen to common salt? It will remain in the solution. It will not evaporate because it is not volatile in nature. Understood? Common salt is not volatile in nature, so it will not evaporate. Fine. I hope you have understood. Now moving on to the definition part. Everybody must be knowing the process in which a solid changes directly into gaseous state without changing into its liquid state is called sublimation. Sublimation means direct conversion of solid to gas, and again back gas to solid. What happens here? When condensation occurred, again the vapors, they form into solid form. So this is means there will not be intermediate position of liquid here in case of sublimation. Understood? So I hope you have understood now. Children, have you seen these packets at your home? Could you identify which packet I am showing you? Yes, this is nothing but camphor. So camphor has tendency to get vaporized, means they sublime. Okay, they also have the characteristic of sublimation. They directly convert into their vapor forms without converting into liquid state. Understood? So this is a good example. Camphor is a good example. So here I have taken some examples like ammonium chloride, just now we have discussed. Camphor, I have shown it to you. Naphthalene balls also you have seen at your home. Naphthalene balls, white balls, which your mother keeps in along with the clothes, even in washrooms also, in sink also. Okay, anthracene, it has also, this is an organic compound. This has tendency to show sublimation, means it also has tendency to convert directly into gaseous form. Benzoic acid also shows sublimation. So there are some other examples also. You have to remember examples, because in exam they may ask you examples of those substances which show sublimation. Now uses. What is the major use of this process? This process is used for separating those substances which sublime on heating. Which can sublime on heating means they can be separated out. That's why this method is used to separate those components which can sublime. See, here also we have seen common salt has no tendency to get sublime. However, ammonium chloride shows sublimation. That's why this process is given to you. I hope you have understood this topic well and enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.